Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Ford Ranger Sport. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 73,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, trailer hitch, and power windows. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.